How to save one-time photo in Telegram. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save one-time photo in Telegram. So let's say first thing first, head over to your Telegram application. So and inside here, let's say I sent this photo to my friend over here, and I send it is as a timer by setting a timer of probably like 5 or 10 seconds. And let's say I'm a receiver now, and if I was a receiver, I wouldn't be able to see this photo for more than 10 seconds. So that is if that the timer was 10 seconds like that. And if you want to save that photo, let's say I opened it for the first time like this, and you simply click on the menu option from your mobile device like this, from your device, and simply click on the volume and the power button at the same time, and like this, and take a screenshot. And that is exactly how you can take a screenshot or take a photo, save a photo, one-time photo in a Telegram. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.